Paalam, Tio Luis, sa pinakasweet naming Tio. Sayang hindi na tayo nag-abot, hindi ka na namin makikita ni Ranel pag uwi namin. We will miss you so much, Tio Luis.
Paalam, Tio Luis, kapiling ka na ni Amang at ni Inang. No more pain. Hindi ka na makakaramdam ng kahit na anong sakit. Masaya ka na siguro ngayon kasi kasama mo na si God saka si Inang at Amang. Sayang lang at hindi mo kami naantay. Wala nang Salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Tio Luis. We love you.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Rocky Boy Gonzales, ang kapatid ni Luis. Lowy Boy, I miss you, bro. At bago ang lahat ay nagpapasalamat ako sa mga kababayan kong taga San Guillermo, mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak sa inyong suporta sa aming pamilya. Ramdam ko ang inyong pakikiramay sa aming pamilya. Sana, Panginoon, payapain mo rin ang mga pamilya ng aming kapatid na Luis. Alam ko, masaya, malungkot, nalulungkot ako sapagkat hindi na kita makikita sa aking pag-uwi. Masaya ako dahil alam ko na ikaw ay nasa piling na ng Panginoon. Ayaw kong umiyak sa pagkakataong ito sapagkat I don't know kung... By the way, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kababayan ko. Salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aming pamilya. God bless all.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Leo Gonzales, ika-4 po sa 6 na magkakapatid ni Art and Paula Gonzales. In behalf po of our family, I want to begin by saying how grateful we are that you are here today. Your presence means more than words can express. In moments like this, when grief feels heavy, it is the love, support, and shared memories from friends and family that help us carry us through. My brother was more than just a sibling to me. He was my fan, my partner in mischief during our childhood, my protector, and my friend. He had a way of making people feel seen and valued, whether through his humor, his kindness, or simply the way he listened. My fondest memories ko po sa aking kapatid ay yung nung bata pa po kami, lagi po kaming nag-aaway at lagi po niya akong namumura dahil nga po may katamaran po ako at talagang every weekend po talagang pupunta po kami sa palayan at gagamas sa mga pananim po naming palay. At talagang I hate those things, ayaw ko pong gagamas dahil nga po napakainit at saka talagang nakaka-stress. Dahil pag nakikita mo yung lawak na gagamasin mo, talagang stress na stress ako. At saka pag uwi talaga ay mahirap tumulog at talagang makati, napakakati. At yun po pala na-realize ko na during this time na yung palang mga pagmumuran niya at yun po ay pagdidisiplina. Na dahil nga po kinakailangan magsikap po kami para sa aming pamilya. Yun nga po. Pero nakaangat-angat po naman kami noong siya po ay nagpunta sa Saudi Arabia at every month meron po siyang remittance. And talagang every month na pupunta kami sa Manila para kunin ng remittance niya, I'm very excited at sasama ako kay Inang at pagkakuha namin ng remittance, kakain na kami sa Max, which is our favorite. Kakain kami ng Max fried chicken at saka pansit. Yun po, and salamat brother sa mga memories na yon. Seeing all of you here today reminds us and remind me of how many lives he touched. Each of you carries a piece of his story, a laugh you shared, a challenge he helped you through, or a moment when his presence made life a little brighter. I want to thank each of you for the ways you have shown up for us through your kind words, your prayers, your hugs, your meals, financial support, and your quiet presence. Every gesture, big or small, has been a reminder that we are not alone in our grief. Kasama po namin kayong lahat. To those who traveled from near and far, thank you for making the journey to be here. To those who have shared memories, share photos and stories, thank you for helping us remember him in all his fullness. And to our extended family, friends, classmates, neighbors, and community, your love has been a lifeline. Thank you, Florence, Pulpol, Lennon, and Aaron, and all my family's friends and relatives out there for your unending love and care for my brother. Nakita ko yung mga sacrifices ninyo at hindi talaga kayo sumuko, and thank you for the patience you have shown your love and care for my brother. Although sometimes medyo matapang siya dahil nga po sa kanyang nararamdaman, yung hirap na kanyang nararanasan. Pero yun nga po, magpasalamat po tayo at yung suffering, wala na po siyang mga paghihirap. There's no more pain and suffering. Although he is gone, let us rejoice that he is now with the Lord. Kasama na po siya ng ating Panginoon, and he is enjoying now with Amang and Inang in heaven. While today filled with sorrow, it is also filled with gratitude. Gratitude for the years we had with my brother, for the lessons he taught us, and for the love he gave so freely for 68 years of existence in this earth. As we live here, I hope we each carry forward a part of him, his laughter, his generosity, the courage, and let it inspire the way we live our own lives. That is how his spirit will remain alive among us. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being here, for honoring his life, and for standing with us in time of loss. Salamat po sa inyong lahat na pumunta, nakiramay, nagbigay ng tulong, your comfort, yung inyong pong mga yakap ay talagang napakalaking bagay po sa bawat isa sa amin. And I love you very, very much, Brother Luis.